Stick. In today's tutorial, I will guide you through how you can check who is using your Wi-Fi. You brought a router at home and you don't know who is using it. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through that. If you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the tutorial, don't forget to share. So first step, you're going to open any form of browser. You can use Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. But in today's tutorial, I'll use Google Chrome. And then once you open Google Chrome, you're going to create a new tab in Google Chrome. And you're going to type in your router's IP address. For example, my router's IP address, it is 192.168.1.1. It is 192.168.1.1 mine. So you can inquire your router's IP address from the person who installed you that Wi-Fi, or you can get it from the internet. You can search your router's IP address from the internet by searching your router's model, and then they'll be giving you the IP address. Then check enter, and then once you check enter, you're going to put in your username. You're going to put in your username. Mine is like that, and then you put in your password. Mine will be like that, and then you're going to press enter. Now you're going to be entering into the settings of your router. Now to check who is on your router, you're going to come and then check wireless status, and then you will be seeing those devices that will be these are the Wi-Fi networks. Now I'm going to come to Wi-Fi client list, and then once you tap Wi-Fi client list, they will be showing you all those people that will be using your router. So these are the devices that are connected to my router, and that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Marustic, and I sign out.